point right there.
Jackson, I want you to say something to the viewers first.
He will get the mess around with my firearms a little bit. Go on in.
Yep. Oh god. Alright, for me this will be system test 1.
Yes.
For the system test we have this Simplex 425120, I think.
And up there is a Spectre Classic, and coming over here, got a notifier.
Spectre Alert Advanced.
BNG1R pulse station right here, notifier. It's their version of the BG8, basically. That's the Spectre Advanced P4R. This isn't on the system, but it's an SR strobe. And over here, it's Johnson Controls heat detector.
Alright, let's go ahead and get this started. There's an EST Genesis in here.
MT is not powered on right now. Holy cow, that's loud.
Go ahead and reset the system. Yes, it's broken. This is what pull station again? I don't know.
The BNG1R, and you can just key off, activate it. Strobe on that does not work, even though I got it new.
I think I reset it correctly.
Yeah. And we won't be doing the BG10, so with that being said,
we're out of here.